Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. So tonight I'm going to be doing barbecue chicken pizza. My buddy Outdoorsman's Garage had made pizza last Wednesday, and I was commenting that, man, that looks really good. So I decided to make some pizza myself, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got some that Winco pre-made dough. It actually wasn't this big earlier, but I've had it just sitting on the counter, so it'd come up to room temp. I just cut the top off. I got some chicken here. I'm going to be adding some mushrooms, some diced tomato. We've got mozzarella and smoked Gouda. And then I got some barbecue sauce, got some Famous Dave's sweet and zesty. So I need to get chicken prepped, so let's get to that. Alright, I'm going to fry them up, and then I'm going to bake them, just because that's how I like doing my chicken. First I got to season. A little sloppy mama. Usual seasonings that I go with. Garlic. And a little paprika. Get those in the pan. There we go, looking pretty good. Get this guy in the oven. Alright, since I'm waiting for my chicken anyway, give me a good time to go ahead and start prepping my ingredients. I'm going to grate my cheese. And I'm going to cook up a couple of mushrooms. Put some diced tomatoes on it. So, work on that. Alright, cheese is all done, so I'm going to dice up a couple of mushrooms. You're going to go on top of the pizza. If I don't use them all up, I can always put them in an omelet in the morning, so they won't go to waste. They also shrink when you cook them, so. Dice some tomatoes as well. Alright, so Outdoorsman's Garage had put quite a bit of oil on the bottom of his. He said he wanted the bottom crispy, and I kind of like it that way too. So I'll put down a little extra oil. I'm gonna put down some dusting of flour. We'll get this dough flopped out. If it will come out. Come on out. There we go. I want to make sure I keep the labels because it's got the oven temp and baking instructions on the bottom. So I actually don't have a rolling pin. I was wrong, I did have one. There's not a lot of counter space to work with. Of course, I'm throwing dough all over the floor. Come on. why I need a bigger kitchen. Alright, now that I got flour everywhere. There we go. Just about what I wanted. Be nice. Remember Pizza Hut had their pan crust pizza? Freaking delicious. Let's get this chicken out and temp it. Make sure we don't get sick. Sweet. Perfect temperature. The chicken's done. Just preheating the oven to 400 degrees. That's what the bottom of the bag said. For 19 to 20 minutes. So, get that barbecue sauce on there. Alright. So, I'm clearly no pizza chef, so. But you gotta break out of your comfort zone every now and then and try something new. I mean, this might be the most delicious damn pizza ever. My original plan was actually to cut the dough in half and to do one last night and then another one the next night, but I went to 2 stores and both stores were out of pizza crust. So I was kind of stuck. Where's my... So one of the nice things about cooking for yourself is I can put as much or as little toppings on here as I want. And I'm not going to go hog wild, but you know, if you want extra pepperoni, put extra pepperoni on it. If you want black olives, put black olives on it. And the typical recipe for barbecue chicken pizza has red onion, but as many know, I don't like red onion. So, or onions in general. God dang it, just... Alright, so here are those mushrooms. I didn't cook them all the way, I just kind of half cooked them. I had bought 4, but I don't think I'm going to use 2. Like I said, they shrank quite a bit. So, put your mushrooms on. And then I got that tomato right here. I'll just go ahead and put the whole thing on. I like tomatoes on my pizza. I think it gives it a nice kind of freshness. And I'm gonna top the whole thing with smoked Gouda, but I'm not gonna use all of it. I'm just gonna do a nice sprinkle. That should be good enough, because I can always put the rest of the cheese in an omelet. Alright, one last ingredient, because I had it in the fridge. Just some Parmesan cheese. I guess it'll be a little extra cheesy, but just a little bit. Let's get this guy in the oven. Gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Then 15. Let's take a peek. Let's give it the other 5. Timer went off, so let's check. Yeah, that looks... Man, she's heavy too. Dang. You know, I'm gonna let it sit and kind of set and rest for maybe another 5. Then we're gonna cut it and I'm gonna eat dinner because I'm actually getting really hungry. Smells fantastic too. Yum. Well, here's how she looks. Looks good. Smells phenomenal. Came out a lot bigger than I thought it was going to as well. I mean, I'm going to be eating pizza for several days. Cut off a nice slice. Alright. Alright. It looks to be fully cooked. Pretty tasty. I think if I made this again, I would probably cut the dough in half, get a little thinner. It'd be a good dinner tonight. Probably lunch this next couple days too. It's pretty big. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist, last week's video, and I'll try to get the Outdoorsman garage maybe on the end. And down in the description, go check out his pizza video. And I thank you for watching again, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.